Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest innovations in technology and engineering. Today, we're taking a dive into the cryptic realm of futuristic motorcycles. From self-balancing bikes to electric powerhouses, the world of motorcycles is about to be revolutionized in ways you can't even imagine. And trust me, this is not just science fiction, it's real, and it's happening right now. Let's start with the future of two-wheeled transportation. Have you ever heard of the BMW Vision DC Roadster? This bike is not only electric, but it's also self-balancing. That's right. This motorcycle has the ability to stay upright, even when you're not on it. Imagine the freedom this technology would bring to motorcyclists everywhere. No more worries about dropping your bike, even in the tightest of turns. The BMW Vision DC Roadster is paving the way for a future where motorcycles are safer and more enjoyable to ride. But that's just the beginning. The future of motorcycles also includes bikes that can be controlled with just your thoughts. Yes, you heard that right. The Honda Riding Assiste is a motorcycle that uses sensors to detect and respond to the rider's movements. This bike can even follow you like a loyal companion, using advanced algorithms to maintain a safe distance and keep pace with you as you walk. It's like having a personal motorcycle butler, always at your beck and call. Now let's talk about speed. Electric motorcycles have been gaining popularity for their eco-friendly benefits. But what if I told you that they can be just as fast, if not faster, than traditional gas-powered bikes? The Lightning LS 218 is a prime example of this. It's an electric motorcycle that can reach top speeds of 218 miles per hour. That's faster than most sports cars, and with instant torque, it accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. But speed isn't the only advantage of electric motorcycles. They're also incredibly efficient, with a range of up to 200 miles on a single charge. No more stops at the gas station, just plug it in and go. Finally, let's talk about customization. The future of motorcycles is not just about technology, it's also about personalization. The Polaris Slingshot is a three-wheeled roadster that lets you build your dream ride from the ground up. With a wide range of accessories and options, you can make your Slingshot truly one of a kind. From custom wheels to sound systems, the possibilities are endless. And with a powerful engine and sporty handling, the Slingshot is as fun to drive as it is to look at. In conclusion, the future of motorcycles is here, and it's more exciting than ever. From self-balancing bikes to electric powerhouses, the possibilities are endless. So what do you think about these futuristic motorcycles? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching.